سلام دوستان، حالتون چطوره؟ امیدوارم که عالی باشید. Our subject for this video is Persian expressions with body part. And this session is about eye, چشم. Okay, let's get started with some information about this part. We already know that what an eye is. So I'm going to dive straight in and give you some examples such as چشم پزشک, تیزبین, چشم. We don't say usually تیز چشم, it will be تیزبین and it means sharp eye. خطایی چشم, optical illusion, چشمک or wink. Wink means چشمک زدن. For example, why are you winking at me? چرا داری بهم چشمک میزنی؟ چرا داری بهم چشمک میزنی؟ چشم دوختن به کسی, خیره شدن یا چشم دوختن به کسی means stare at somebody. The evil eye, چشم بد. این چشم بد, چشم حسود or چشم زخم. چشم حسود, کور. We wish for a jealous person to be blind. It's not that the Farsi is a really rough language, but it means that, for example, when somebody jealous at you, they will also have jinx for your life. So when we say that I wish you to be blind, I wish that person who jealous at me will be blind, because it means that I wish that his or her opinions won't affect my life. For example, they wish you to be miserable or something. I wish that their wishes don't work. Something like this. So if somebody told you that چشم حسود کور, don't freak out. Also, we can say چشم بد دور, far from an evil eye. چشم بد دور. Now, in this situation, I want to read you a poem by Abu Sa'id Abulkhair. He said, گفتم بدا که چشم بد دور ز تو, ای دوست مگر چشم بدت من بودم. We can say I also means okay. Yes, maybe you hear that somewhere and you thought to yourself what they are saying. For example, my mother told me that wash the dishes this afternoon, please, and I will say okay. But in Persian it will be sounds like this. میشه لطفاً ظهر ظرفا رو بشوری؟ چشم. When you say چشم, okay, they will answer back that چشمتون بی بلا. I wish you to be far away from misfortunate. But there's another thing maybe shock foreign people when they're learning a language. I think it's that we are saying قدمت روی چشم. When I ask somebody to go in their place, they will say قدمت روی چشم, قدمت سر چشم, تشریف بیارید. It means that stepping on someone's eye. قدمت روی چشم, stepping on someone's eye, but it doesn't mean like it sounds. It means that I will host you kindly. When you are waiting for someone to arrive. چشم انتظار, منتظر بودن. من چشم انتظار رسیدن پدرم هستم. من منتظر رسیدن پدرم هستم. I'm waiting for my father to arrive. چشم داشت. من این کار رو بدون هیچ چشم داشتی انجام دادم. I did this work without any expectation. چشماتون قشنگ میبینه. Your eye sees beauty. چشماتون قشنگ میبینه. For instance, I will tell you that, wow, your dress suits you a lot. You look wonderful. And you will say, ممنونم. چشماتون قشنگ میبینه. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful and I tried to tell you some idioms. مراقب خودتون باشید. اگر که سوالی دارید حتما ازم بپرسید. خوشحال میشم که لایک، شیر و کامنت بذارید. به امید دیدار و خدا نگهدار.